Pavelli Strong. The Pavelli STV Strong is a robust low-bed semi-trailer engineered in Italy for transporting heavy-duty vehicles like road tractors, buses and construction machinery. Designed for both specialized transport and roadside assistance, it offers configurations with 2 or 3 axles and a payload capacity up to 24,500 kilograms, depending on the model. A standout feature is its extendable frame, which can be lengthened by 3 meters, facilitating the transport of larger equipment. The trailer's galvanized steel chassis ensures high resistance to corrosion, enhancing its durability in challenging environments. Its hydraulic system, powered by the tractor's PTO pump, operates various components, including a movable central platform capable of lifting up to 20 tons, double extension rear ramps, and hydraulic winches with capacities of 8 or 10 tons. Additionally, the trailer boasts a self-steering third axle for improved maneuverability, a remote control for managing all hydraulic functions, and an onboard computer for monitoring axle weights and diagnostics. DAF Digital Vision System. The DAF Digital Vision System is an innovative advancement in truck design, replacing traditional side mirrors with high-resolution cameras and displays. Positioned on the roof sides of the cab, the cameras transmit live footage to 12.3-inch and 15-inch screens mounted on the A-pillars inside the cabin. This system enhances the driver's field of view by covering areas typically obscured by conventional mirrors, significantly reducing blind spots. The DDVS offers features such as auto brightness adjustment, heated lenses for all-weather performance, and electrically retractable cameras to prevent damage during tight maneuvers. Additionally, the system includes display overlays indicating the vehicle's length and distances to nearby objects, aiding in precise navigation. By eliminating bulky mirrors, the DDVS improves the truck's aerodynamics, leading to a 1.2% increase in fuel efficiency. This technological leap not only contributes to cost savings, but also aligns with modern safety standards, providing drivers with a clearer and more comprehensive view of their surroundings. Right Track Systems. Right Track Systems offers innovative over-the-tire rubber track solutions designed to enhance the performance of trucks and trailers in challenging off-road conditions. These tracks are engineered to fit over existing tires, providing increased flotation and traction on terrain such as mud, snow, and sand. Constructed from heavy-duty conveyor belting, the tracks are 5 times stronger than standard truck tires, offering exceptional durability and protection against tire damage. The modular design allows for easy installation and removal, typically within an hour, without the need for specialized tools. Additionally, the tracks feature interchangeable grouses and ice cleats, enabling users to adapt to different seasonal conditions. By reducing ground pressure and improving traction, Right Track Systems products help to minimize tire wear and fuel consumption, leading to cost savings and extended equipment lifespan. These versatile track systems are suitable for various applications, including construction, forestry, and agriculture, providing a reliable solution for off-road transportation needs. ExTe Specialized Trailers. ExTe Specialized Trailers is a leading manufacturer of heavy haul and specialty trailers, renowned for its custom-engineered solutions tailored to meet the unique demands of industries such as construction, agriculture, wind energy, and oil and gas. Headquartered in Manchester, Iowa, the company is known for producing reliable, long-lasting trailers built to meet the demands of tough hauling jobs. With over 100 years of combined engineering experience, ExTe Specialized Trailers offers a diverse range of products, including detachable gooseneck trailers, extendable trailers, and multi-axle configurations. Their commitment to innovation is evident in features like hydraulic detachable goosenecks, low-profile designs, and customizable options that enhance load capacity and maneuverability. The company's dedication to quality is underscored by its ISO 9001:2015 certification and a comprehensive warranty program. ExTe Specialized Trailers continues to be a trusted partner for businesses requiring reliable and efficient hauling solutions. Man Front Detection. The Man Front Detection System is an advanced safety feature designed to enhance driver awareness and prevent accidents in urban environments. Particularly effective during low-speed maneuvers such as starting off or navigating tight spaces, it helps identify vulnerable road users like pedestrians and cyclists who may be in the vehicle's blind spots. Operating at speeds up to 10 km per hour, the system provides timely alerts to the driver, reducing the risk of collisions. This system integrates radar sensors located in the vehicle's bumper with a camera mounted on the windshield, creating a comprehensive monitoring area in front of the truck. The combined sensor data allows for accurate detection of obstacles, enabling the system to issue both visual and acoustic warnings when a potential collision is imminent. By incorporating this technology, MAN aims to improve road safety and alleviate stress for drivers, especially in congested urban settings. Harsh HH6 Hookloader. The Harsh HH6 Hookloader is a compact yet powerful truck-mounted lifting system designed to enhance the versatility and efficiency of 7.5-ton gross vehicle weight vehicles. Manufactured by Harsh UK, this model is particularly suited for applications such as waste collection, grounds maintenance, and construction, where space constraints and maneuverability are critical. Key features of the HH6 include a 6-ton lifting capacity, enabling it to handle containers ranging from 3.8 to 4.3 meters in length. The system achieves a maximum tipping angle of 52 degrees, facilitating efficient unloading. Operation is streamlined via a conventional PTO pump system, with an optional handheld remote control that offers improved visibility and reduces cab intrusion. Additionally, the HH6 is compatible with Harsh's high-tower hook sheeting system and onboard weighing options, enhancing operational flexibility and compliance. The HH6's design emphasizes reliability and ease of use, making it a valuable asset for businesses seeking to maximize the productivity of their fleet in urban and rural settings alike. Stinger Stacker 8500. The Stinger Stacker 8500 is a high-performance bale handling machine designed for large-scale agricultural operations. This self-loading and unloading system is engineered to efficiently manage ultra-dense square bales, making it a valuable asset for farmers dealing with high-density hay production. The Stinger Stacker 8500 boasts a robust Detroit 6-cylinder diesel engine, providing ample power for its operations. It features an enclosed cab with air conditioning, ensuring operator comfort during extended working hours. The machine is equipped with an Allison automatic transmission, facilitating smooth gear shifts and enhancing operational efficiency. With a self-loading capability, it reduces the need for manual labor, streamlining the bale stacking process. The unloading system is designed for quick and efficient bale release, minimizing downtime. Additionally, the Stinger Stacker 8500 incorporates an auto lube system, ensuring that all moving parts are adequately lubricated, thereby extending the machine's lifespan and reducing maintenance needs. The Stinger Stacker 8500 offers a reliable and efficient solution for today's farming needs. Freighter T-Liner. The Freighter T-Liner is a pioneering curtain-sided trailer that has significantly influenced freight transport in Australia. As the first mass-produced taut liner, it introduced a practical solution for loading and unloading, enhancing efficiency in general, palletized and specialized freight sectors. Designed with a low-profile frame and wide-spaced main beams, the T-Liner offers improved stability and a lower center of gravity, making it suitable for harsh operating conditions. Its durable build guarantees long-lasting performance and dependability. The T-Liner features a 3mm checker plate floor, galvanized steel external lock rod door hardware, and double rear doors, contributing to its durability and ease of use. The curtain system features smooth gliding rollers and a tensioning mechanism that minimizes buckles, improving safety and lowering maintenance needs. Available in various configurations including lead, tag, B-double and road train, the T-Liner is backed by a 2-year warranty and supported by a national dealer and service network. WESOB Forklift. The WESOB Forklift is an innovative transport solution developed by WESOB ZU, a company based in Poland, specializes in the production of truck bodies and trailers. This system allows for the seamless transportation of a forklift within a truck or trailer, eliminating the need for additional towing equipment. Designed to facilitate loading and unloading in locations lacking proper infrastructure, such as ramps or forklift access points, the WESOB Forklift enhances operational flexibility in logistics operations. Key features of the WESOB Forklift include its compact design, enabling it to fit within standard truck dimensions, and its robust construction, ensuring durability during transport. The system is engineered for easy operation, allowing for efficient deployment without the need for specialized training. By integrating the forklift into the transport vehicle, the WESOB Forklift reduces the reliance on external towing resources, streamlining logistics processes, and improving overall efficiency. Its innovative design underscores a commitment to addressing real-world challenges in goods handling and distribution. Libner Open Box C+. The Libner Open Box C+ is a versatile curtain-side semi-trailer designed to meet the diverse needs of the transport industry. Manufactured by Libner, a French company specializing in heavy-duty vehicle bodies, the Open Box C+ offers two distinct transport configurations. In its first mode, the body is folded at the front, allowing for the loading of containers and oversized goods directly onto the platform. In its second mode, the body is fully tarpaulined, providing protection for goods that require shielding from weather conditions. This flexibility makes the Open Box C Plus suitable for a wide range of cargo types. The Open Box C Plus is the first retractable sliding curtain body in Europe to successfully meet the EN 12642 Code XL load safety standards, ensuring safe transport. Additionally, it is certified for beverage transport, further enhancing its versatility. With a tare weight starting from 15,000 kilograms and a volume capacity up to 160 cubic meters, the Open Box C Plus is a robust and adaptable solution for modern logistics challenges. ExTe Com 90. The ExTe Com 90 trademark is an advanced, remote-controlled timber bunk system designed to revolutionize the way timber is transported. Manufactured by ExTe, a Swedish company renowned for its innovative load-securing solutions, the Com 90 trademark system allows drivers to secure and release loads without leaving the safety and comfort of their vehicle. Utilizing hydraulic stakes and throw-over ribs, the system automatically adjusts to hold the timber securely in place during transit. This automation not only enhances safety by reducing the need for manual handling, but also improves efficiency, allowing for more loads per shift and increased profitability. The Com 90 trademark is equipped with a CAN bus control system, providing real-time monitoring and diagnostics to ensure optimal performance. With its robust design and user-friendly operation, the ExTe Com 90 trademark sets a new standard in timber transport, offering a safer, more efficient, and more comfortable working environment for drivers. Fliegl SZS 300BL Ultra. The Fliegl SZS 300BL Ultra is a specialized semi-low loader trailer designed for the efficient transport of round and square bales in modern agriculture. Weighing 29,000 kilograms with a 13,000 mm by 2,480 mm platform, it offers robust support for heavy loads. The trailer features a 2-axle chassis made from fine-grained steel, equipped with a 2-inch kingpin and air suspension, ensuring stability and smooth operation. Its 385/65R 22.5 tires contribute to excellent road handling and reduced fuel consumption. The SZS 300BL Ultra incorporates an integrated tarpaulin with built-in straps on both sides, facilitating quick and secure load securing without the need for additional tensioning devices. The right side tarpaulin is hydraulically foldable, enhancing accessibility and ease of use. For added safety, the trailer includes a rigid underrun protection and complies with ECER 104 for contour marking dot. This trailer exemplifies Fliegl's commitment to innovation in agricultural logistics. Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle. The Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle is a heavy-duty lowboy trailer designed for transporting large and heavy equipment with ease and safety. Its standout feature is the patented hydraulic flip axle, allowing operators to quickly raise or lower the axle to adjust weight distribution and meet legal axle load requirements. This flexibility is crucial for hauling oversized machinery like bulldozers, cranes, and excavators. Built with T1 100K PSI yield strength steel, the trailer ensures durability and maintains its designed camber over time, enhancing its service life. Spacing the cross members at 12 inches enhances the structural integrity and helps distribute weight more evenly across the deck. Safety is prioritized with an airlock safety bar and spring-extended pin, securing the gooseneck locking pin even if air pressure is lost. The trailer includes heavy-duty outriggers along the full height of the side rail for optimal support during loading and unloading. Globe Trailers also provides a 10-year structural warranty, highlighting their commitment to quality. Kogel E-COOL. The Kogel E-COOL is a groundbreaking refrigerated trailer that utilizes innovative technology to provide sustainable, carbon dioxide-free cooling for temperature-sensitive goods. Unlike traditional diesel-powered refrigeration units, the E-COOL employs a recuperation axle developed in collaboration with SAF Holland. This axle captures kinetic energy during braking and converts it into electricity, which is stored in a battery on board the trailer. This stored energy powers the Carrier Transicold HE19E electric refrigeration unit, allowing for fully electric operation without the need for conventional fuel. The trailer also features solar panels from Sono Motors, generating additional green energy to further reduce environmental impact. With a battery capacity of up to 34 kWh, the E-COOL can operate for approximately 10 hours on a single charge. This system not only lowers carbon dioxide emissions, but also reduces noise pollution, making it ideal for nighttime urban deliveries. Additionally, the E-COOL's design includes aerodynamic side panels that enhance fuel efficiency, contributing to overall cost savings and sustainability in logistics. KLLM Transport. KLLM Transport Services, established in 1963, has evolved into one of the largest temperature-controlled truckload carriers in the United States. Specializing in transporting perishable and temperature-sensitive goods, KLLM operates a modern fleet of over 1,000 tractors and 2,400 refrigerated trailers, ensuring safe and timely deliveries across all 48 contiguous states and into Mexico. Their services include over-the-road regional, dedicated, intermodal, and logistics, catering to diverse shipping needs. KLLM's commitment to safety is evident, boasting an impressive accident frequency rate of just 0.20 per million miles traveled. This dedication to safety, combined with an on-time delivery rate exceeding 98%, underscores their reliability in the logistics industry. Additionally, KLLM offers comprehensive career opportunities for drivers, including company driver positions, lease purchase programs, and CDL training through their KLLM Driving Academy. With a strong emphasis on service excellence and innovation, KLLM Transport Services continues to be a trusted partner in the transportation sector.